What's up, everybody? My name is Ronnie and this is
Brenda,
and we are
Tech Run.
Today we're gonna be having a look at the brand new Infinix Hot 12i.
It's having I.
I. This year, Infinix comes with two brand new features and we'll talk about them in the video, so stay tuned. First off, we'll talk about the exterior of this phone. It does feel good on the hand. It comes with a multitude of colors, and here with us we've got the
Ocean blue. Yeah, it's ocean blue.
ocean blue and the champagne gold. Champagne is a color.
I don't love it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we've got the ocean gold and the champagne blue.
Yes! So we are having a champagne gold and ocean
And the ocean blue. One thing about Infinix is they always have these fancy kind of patterns on the back of the phones. They really do good with that, but it's plastic. And the camera setup reminds me of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20,
Sure.
if you know it. Yes.
Same arrangement as this.
Same arrangement, the glossy finish and all that. And coming to the front, we got the fingerprint at the back as well. The front of the phone comes with a film that is pre-installed. It's good. I prefer this to the glass screen protectors. It's a flat display, huge bezels, and you got the water drop notch as usual.
This is a notch.
And that's it. On the top we got nothing. On the bottom we've got the charging port, speakers, microphone, and an earphone jack. And on the right, got the volume rockers as well as the power. Now the specs of the phone, starting with the camera, back to the cameras again. This is a triple camera setup, all 13 megapixels, 13 megapixels wide, 13 megapixel main sensor, and 13 megapixel zoom camera, which is a 3x zoom. The front camera is 8 megapixels and it does its job as a camera. How good, we'll find out next time. We'll do a full camera test. So that's it for the exterior of the phone. The screen is a 6.6-inch LCD display, so it definitely doesn't work good on direct sunlight, but it does get bright enough. This phone comes with Android 11 straight from the box, not Android 12, sadly, but you might get an update eventually, maybe later this year or never. It has the Helio A22 processor. It comes with two versions, so this is a 64 plus 2 and that is a 64 plus 3. What that means is 64 internal storage plus 2 gigabytes of RAM and 64 internal storage plus 3 gigabytes of RAM. One of the two new features that the Infinix has come with this year is called Memory Fusion. You can call it like an extended RAM or something like that. What they do is, okay, it is extended RAM. So what this Memory Fusion does is it takes a portion of your internal storage and uses that as the RAM. For Infinix, it's kind of different. What they do is they double your RAM. So if you had, let's say, 2 gigabytes of RAM, that it becomes 4. So it takes 2 and adds it to the RAM. For the 3 gigabyte version, it doubles that. So instead of having 3 gigabytes of RAM, you'll have 6 gigabytes of RAM. And up next is battery. 5000 milliamp battery. We'll see how that reflects when we do a full review and whether it will last the whole day. It all comes down to the optimization of the software. And the final feature that the Infinix has brought is called okay, drum rolls.
Are you ready?
Anti-bacterial. This is an antibacterial phone.
Actually, they say this phone, the greatest feature is it is antibacterial.
You never have to sanitize this phone.
Absolutely, you don't have to work with your sanitizer at all.
But what about your hands? Okay, so leave a comment and tell me if you know any more details about the antibacterial stuff.
Funga.
So leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll be waiting for the techies, the geek guys. If you can tell me exactly how the antibacterial feature of this phone works, we have a prize for you.
Sure. Ciao.
Peace. Aye. It will definitely compete for last place.
For last place.
Cut!